Let's finally settle this. What is the best way to cook a whole chicken? Is it in the air fryer or is it in the oven? Let's find out. So in today's video I will be making one roast chicken in the air fryer oven and the other in my regular fan oven. I want to see which one of the two methods works better, so let's find out. So firstly I'm going to marinate the chickens, so I rubbed some olive oil on the chickens and also greased the baking tin. I made some cuts in the chicken so my marinade seeps right into the dry parts of the chicken like the breast. I then went ahead and rubbed a whole load of garlic on the fronts and the backs of the chicken. I have opted for a really simple marinade today. I'm going to go in with some peri seasoning followed by some paprika. I'm going to give that a really good rub and then I'm going to add some lemon herbs. And lastly, I'm going to spread on some of my favourite hot peri sauce. For best results, let all the marinade sink in for a few hours before cooking. The air fry oven I am using has a rotisserie feature, so I'm going to cook my chicken on the rotisserie. If you do not have a rotisserie feature in your air fryer oven, you can just place your chicken on a tray or you can directly put it into the air fryer compartment. The air fryer oven I am using has a chicken rotisserie preset. So the preset is 45 minutes at 180°. The chicken is uncovered. While that's cooking away nicely, for my oven chicken I have decided to add some salt and pepper just for some extra flavour. I have just tossed in some potatoes to cook with my chicken. I lightly season them with some salt and pepper. And lastly, I have added some melted butter to this to help it keep its moisture. For the oven chicken, I have covered it with foil. I cooked it on 200°C for 1 hour. I then took it out, uncovered the chicken and brushed on some of the sauce. I then cooked this for another 20 minutes on 200°C. So the oven chicken is now done. It took 1 hour 20 minutes cooking time with 20 minutes preheating before cooking. The air fry chicken was done in just 45 minutes. I did not need to preheat the oven. I did not need to cover the chicken with foil. We saved on the electricity bill. In my opinion, the air fry chicken was the winner. It was juicier, it was succulent, it had a crispy skin. And it went perfectly with these roasted potatoes and naan. And that's all guys, thanks for watching.